This audio recording is a reading of the Septuagint, also known as the LXX. The source of the text is the Greek Bible Project, Project LXX, translation of Rolfe's Septuagint Critical Edition, 1935. For more details, including translation modules and notes for the eSword Bible software, please visit www.greekbibleproject.org. Genesis chapter 1. In the beginning, God made the sky and the earth. The earth was invisible and unformed, and darkness was over the abyss, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the water. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light that it was good, and God separated between the light and the darkness. And God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, day 1. And God said, "Let there be a solid expanse in the middle of the water, and let it be separating between water and water." And it happened this way. And God made the solid expanse, and God separated between the water that was below the expanse and the water that was above the expanse. And God called the expanse sky. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the second day. And God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered into one place, and let the dry land appear." And it happened this way. And the water under the sky was gathered into their places, and the dry land appeared. And God called the dry land earth, and the gatherings of the waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let the earth produce vegetation, plants yielding seed according to kind and in likeness, and fruit-bearing trees making fruit, whose seed is in it according to kind on the earth." And it happened this way. And the earth brought forth vegetation, plants yielding seed according to kind and in likeness, and fruit-bearing trees making fruit, whose seed is in it according to kind on the earth. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening and there was morning, the third day. And God said, "Let there be lights in the solid expanse of the sky, to give light upon the earth, to separate between the day and the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and for years. And let them be for light in the solid expanse of the sky to shine upon the earth." And it happened this way. And God made the two great lights, the greater light to rule the day and the lesser light to rule the night, and the stars. And God placed them in the solid expanse of the sky to shine upon the earth, and to rule over the day and the night, and to separate between the light and the darkness. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening and there was morning, the fourth day. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth crawling creatures of living souls, and flying birds that fly above the earth across the solid expanse of the sky." And it happened this way. And God made the great sea creatures, and every living soul of crawling animals, which the waters brought forth according to their kinds. And he made every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let the birds multiply upon the earth." And there was evening, and there was morning, the fifth day. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth a living soul according to its kind, four-footed beasts, and creeping things, and wild beasts of the earth according to their kind." And it became so. And God made the wild beasts of the earth according to their kind, and the livestock according to their kind, and all the creeping things of the earth according to their kind. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let us make a human, according to our image and likeness, and let them rule over the fish of the sea, and the birds of the sky, and the livestock, and all the earth, and all the creeping things that creep upon the earth." And God made the human. In the image of God he made him. Male and female he made them. And God blessed them, saying, "Increase and multiply, and fill the earth and subdue it, and rule over the fish of the sea, and the birds of the sky, and all the livestock, and all the earth, and all the creeping things that creep upon the earth." And God said, "Behold, I have given to you every seed-bearing plant sowing seed which is upon the entire earth, And every tree which has within it fruit of seed-bearing, it will be yours for food. And to all the wild beasts of the earth, and to all the birds of the sky, and to all the creeping things that creep upon the earth, which have within them a living soul, I have given every green plant for food. And it became so. And God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And there was evening and there was morning, the sixth day.